Yep, neither rain, nor snow, nor sleet, nor hail will stop the mailman.
Yeah, especially if he's delivering bills.
But listen up, I've got a great way to handle that. You see, when the mailman comes to my door, I say, hey, are those bills? And if he says yeah, then I say, send them on back. My name is definitely not Bill.
And what do you do if that doesn't work?
Why, then I make tracks.
You mean you run away?
No, I mean I make tracks. Railroad tracks. It just relaxes me to lay down those steel rails and swing that big old sledgehammer.
Nothing personal, Munch, but I think your train of thought has derailed.
What? You don't believe me? Just listen while I put the hammer down. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. Yeah, I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Hey, don't you hear the whistle blowing now? Rise up so early in the morning, and don't you hear the captain shouting, Dinah, blow your horn. Oh, well, Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow that horn? Jasper! I've been working on the railroad. Whoa, living all day. All right, Miss Helen. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Pasquale, you give it a shot.
Thanks. Don't you hear the whistle blowing, blowing? Yeah, 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 yeah. Rise up so early in the morning. Yeah.
Don't you hear that captain shouting when Dinah come blow your
Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow?
Dinah, won't you blow your horn?
Yeah, Dinah, won't you blow? Well, Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow